In this video we will be showing steps to create and assign tasks using TaskMaster. Steps to create and assign task in TaskMaster. After subscribing, TaskMaster dashboard appears. Click on the TaskMaster application dashboard. Click on the plus icon which appears on the right of screen. Click on Create Task option from drop-down. Select Entity from the drop-down. Select Department from the drop-down. In case of non-statutory internal task, select Regulator as Corporate Internal. Click on Task Reference and enter the task name, task description, provision reference, and penalty for non-compliance. In Scheduling Frequency, select the task interval from the drop-down. Select the start date by clicking on the calendar. Select the end date by clicking on the calendar. Select the priority, requires proof of completion, attach the documents asked, select impact of failure. Then, click on Create Task. After creating task, click on Task Assignment. You can assign the task by selecting the owner, reviewer, and HOD. In Start Before Days, you can specify how many days in advance the reminder mail should be triggered. In Reminder Frequency, you can select how often you want the task reminder. In Escalation Time, you can choose to have HOD receive the escalation before, after, or on the due date. After entering all the details, click on Assign Task. Reminder mail starts triggering as per selected time. Reminder goes to task owner with copy to task reviewer. Escalation email goes to the HOD with copy to owner and reviewer. After you click on Assign Task, the task will get assigned to the owner, reviewer, and HOD whose name was selected. After assignment, owner, reviewer, and HOD can view the assigned task in their login window.